Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to send disappearing message in Messenger. Recently, Messenger has updated the feature and you'll be able to send a disappearing message on Messenger. In order to enable disappearing messages on Messenger, what you'll need to do is first thing before we get started, make sure to update your Messenger application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So after you're done updating your Messenger application, logged into your Messenger, and then you'll be directed to the chat. So in order to enable disappearing message on Messenger, first of all you need to select a particular contact. After you open up the chat page, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now in case if you're on your iPhone, then you need to click on the profile name or the username, and if you're on your Android device, then you'll have an option as small I. You need to click on it, which will be located in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on it, you will have this kind of interface. So earlier there used to be an option as disappearing messages right over here, but recently it has been removed. So what you need to do is you need to click on go to secret conversation. So as you click on it, you've enabled the secret conversation to this contact. Now try sending a message. If you're on an iOS device, then you need to click on the icon that is right over here or the timer icon just next to the message bar. You'll have an option as disappearing message right over here. So in order to enable it, just click on it and you have enabled vanish mode or disappearing mode on your Messenger application. So that was for the iOS device, and for the Android user, what you need to do is you'll have an eye icon. You need to click on it. This interface will remain the same. In order to enable it, just click on disappearing messages. As you can see that currently it is turned off. You need to tap on the option and then it will be turned on. And you also have a timer, so you can select it accordingly. As soon as you've turned it on, you've enabled disappearing mode on your Messenger application. So that is how you can send disappearing message in Messenger application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.